Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Welcome to a quick unboxing of the Huawei Band 10 fitness band. I had actually gone to buy the Honor Band 9 but couldn't find it and went for this Huawei Band 10. I have used Huawei phones in the past, in fact many of them, and I like their product quality, product design and innovation. So I went ahead and bought this band. This cost me around $50 US. I remember seeing 2 or 3 color options for this band: violet, black and this sporty fluorescent green option. I went for the sporty and bright look. In the box is the band, the charging cable and some write-up. Here I have laid the Huawei Band 10 next to my Apple Watch for a size comparison. By the way, the band feels super light compared to the Apple Watch. I made a video comparing the jump rope tracking done by the fitness band and the Apple Watch. I was surprised by the results I saw. If this is of interest to you, do check it out. I will link the video here. First impressions based on price, packaging, and the first few days of usage has been positive. Do leave your questions, comments or feedback in the comment section. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to you. Till I see you in the next video, take care of your health, have a super day, bye bye.